It's freezing here in New York City, but guess what? It's after 4 o'clock and you know what time it is. Happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they declined on Thursday with the Dow Jones extending losses into a third session following disappointing U.S. and Chinese manufacturing data. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lately off by more than 200 points. The S&P 500 declining more than 20 points with the financial sector hardest hit, and the Nasdaq losing about 40 points. Now, for every share rising, nearly 3 declined over at the New York Stock Exchange. And let's now take a look to see how the markets performed on this mostly down session. In economic data overseas, Asian stocks continued to fall after a Chinese manufacturing report fell to 49.6 from 50.5. A Euro area manufacturing index climbed to 53.9 from 52.7 in the month of December. However, market U.S. manufacturing growth slowed in January. Data Thursday also had applications for U.S. jobless benefits last week, rising by 1,000 to 329,000, holding close to a 6-week low. Existing home sales totaling about 4.87 million in December versus a 4.94 million estimate, and U.S. leading indicators climbing 0.1% in December after a revised 1% rise just the month before. And in the other markets, the U.S. dollar falling against counterparts, crude oil futures rising just under $1 to 97.72 a barrel, and gold prices rising $23.70 to $12.6230 an ounce. And in corporate news, shares of Herbalife falling 13% after Reuters reported a U.S. senator was calling for a probe of the nutrition company, which has been accused of running a pyramid scheme by hedge fund manager William Ackman. Meanwhile, Netflix jumping after it forecast customer growth that beat expectations, and McDonald shares wavering after the fast food company and Dow component reported weaker than expected quarterly revenue. So there you have it. Go inside, have yourself a drink, kick back, relax, and stay warm. Yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. From ModerWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.